Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are here at Cult Classics Gachibowli and we see that there are many Java bikes in stock available right now. See the red one, 42. So these are the fresh stocks being unloaded from the transport truck. You see, there's a huge number of Javas here. I can't count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. Okay. Perhaps there are around 30 bikes parked here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Oh my god, there are 40. Now let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So there are 40 bikes parked here, and all these bikes just have arrived from the factory. The covers have not been removed. This is perhaps the JAWA 42 and that one is a black JAWA Classic. They've just arrived from the showroom. This is how the company packs the bike before they put it on the truck for delivery. That one is it's a green, I guess. Yeah, it's a green JAWA. This one looks amazing, as you can see. And those bikes, a little dust here because these bikes are kept in an open place. Although it's completely confined, but still there are a lot of dust coming in. And this is a lift where they take the bike upstairs in the showroom after cleaning them properly, just to make sure that the customers are happy. So basically these are bubble wraps. You can see these are all bubble wraps. Now what they do is in order to prevent scratches, they just put these bubble wraps onto the bike and tie them with these elastic laces, and that's it. This one is another one. This one has a leg guard here. I don't know how this leg guard was installed. Maybe this belongs to some customer, but these bikes are fresh, new, from directly from the factory. You can see the registration numbers. These numbers are from the factory. It has all these details. So whenever the bikes are taken out of the factory, they do a check before loading them on the truck. So this is what they have done. You see, all these bikes are beautiful bikes, and they're just gathering dust here. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, anyways, if they store it in a warehouse, they will get a little bit dirty. This is a very nice place. I mean, this feels like a heaven for a JAWA owner. Beautiful. That's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know how you feel about the JAWA showroom, and do feel free to comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.